Hey, first grade. Today we are going to start typing. And I know we did Keyboard Climber. I don't know if those of you that were here last year, we did a little thing called Keyboard Climber last year, which kind of showed us where the keys were on the keyboard. But this year we're going to do something a little bit different. We are going to learn how to type using touch typing. And what that means is you're not hunting and pecking each little tiny key around here. And if you notice, the keys are kind of like in a big puzzle. So it doesn't go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. It's kind of like they took all of the keys, kind of mixed them up in their hand and just threw them on the keyboard. And so it goes, this is called the QWERTY keyboard. It's called QWERTY, and history about why they used to do this. But what we're going to learn today is you're going to start to practice, and we're just going to get on for right now. My goal for you today is that you get logged on, number one, because you know that's kind of hard this year, okay? So you get logged on, you get to my site, and all of that's a little bit difficult, but I'm going to show you what to do, and then you get started on DanceMat typing. And today, we're not going to mark anything down on our typing sheets because I will show that to you later on. But for today, I just want you to get to the site and just kind of get started so you understand how to get to the site. So that's what I want you to do today, okay? So the first thing we're going to learn is ASDF and JKL semicolon. Okay, so those are the home row placements. So this happens to be right here. Here's where your finger should be. When you type, you need to type with that and always come back to home. It kind of looks like a kitty cat, like you're going just a little bit with your fingers. And you want to be relaxed and hold your fingers on this spot. If you want to type, let's say like an I up here, you're going to use this finger and just stretch up to it. If you want to type an H, you would take it off of the J and click on the H. And a good reasoning, if you kind of think about it, F and J, those are going to be your pointer fingers. And your pointer fingers, if you put those on F and J, there's like a little tiny bump on your keyboard. You'll feel it pretty soon when you get back to your seat. But there's an F and J, there's like a little tiny bump where you can actually lay your fingers on there, okay? So that's kind of cool. So let me show you the next part. If you look back, and I have both that previous screen and then this one too on my board, my wall in the back. But if you look in the back, you'll see kind of a weird little poster that has different colors. Looks like somebody dipped their fingers in paint. What this kind of shows is it shows you which fingers should be hitting which keys. Now this is a lot of stuff to remember right now, so don't stress out about that. Don't worry about that. We're going to get home row down first. And that's kind of these that have like kind of the yellow band around it. So all you need to know is that if you put your pointer fingers on F and J, so this one goes on the yellow one and this one goes on that weird kind of salmon color. Okay, so you put them on F and J. All of the other fingers will kind of fold in behind. So this one goes to K. This one is L. The pinky, which is brown, goes to the semicolon. And then this pinky goes to the letter A. This one goes to the letter S. This one's D. And this one's F. Right here, your thumbs, and this doesn't have a blue thumb right here, but you can hit the space bar with your thumbs. So today, you're basically only going to learn where your fingers fit on home row. And we're going to practice this a couple of times because it's going to take us a while to get to it. Some people may not even get to it today. We're going to see how it rolls. Okay? So I have got a how to type little video for you, and I'd like you to watch it really quick, and then I'm going to show you how to get to DanceMat typing.